Today we decided to head out to Yellow Rock Lookout in the Blue Mountains to go hiking and abseiling with the kids. It was our first time at this particular spot and we were excited to explore the incredible views over the Nepean River and find some great beginner-friendly cliffs for a safe and fun descent. We started with a short walk through the bush to reach the lookout. It's an easy track and the views are unreal. It's a perfect spot for a family day out. What do you think about the new abseil location?
It's good.
You excited?
Yeah, of course I am. It looks pretty deep, but definitely gonna go for it.
How are you feeling?
I'm feeling excited. I want to try this new place out instead of going to the same places and staying again and again. This is a new place to try it.
How are you feeling, Parky?
Cool.
You excited?
Yes.
You gonna do this?
Yes.
The kids love abseiling and show absolutely no fear of going over the cliff edge. Even though we've done a heap of abseils as a family, those first few steps back on the cliff edge always make me nervous as a parent. Despite my nerves, it's always rewarding to see them having a go at something few kids ever get the chance to do. The walk back up was steep, but easy enough to do with the kids. Alright, tell me boys, how was that?
Good.
Woo!
The free-falling part was probably my favorite.
Yeah, you have fun?
Yeah. The free-falling part too. Wasn't that it though? Yeah. So, it was very fun. I really want to go back here one day again. Like on the weekend or something when we have time. But this place was really fun. I want to go back
Should we bring Mum?
Yeah.
Thanks for joining us on this adventure. If you've got kids and want to get them into hiking or abseiling, start small, stay safe, and make it fun. Subscribe for more family-friendly outdoor adventures across New South Wales.